Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Awesome things happen over here and I'd love to have you a part. And if you're returning, thank you for tuning in, girl. So today's video is gonna be so exciting. Like, this was one of the ones that was not planned for this month, like at all. So it is a bit, impromptu, but it's exciting nonetheless. As you can tell by the title, I have in an unboxing, I got a new bag, and I just want to share it with you guys. Okay, so first, before I share it, I do want to put a little things in perspective and kind of clarify a few things from my previous wish list video. If you have not watched it, go ahead and watch it. I'll link it above so that you can see it. It's amazing. I mean, it's amazing. So I did want to clarify though that I mentioned in the video I make a wish list, and I believe that I'm gonna receive the things that are on that wish list. So I make sure that anything I desire or want, I put on the list and believe that it's gonna happen. I want to clarify that I don't just put things on the list and expect them to just magically appear. I don't believe in those name it, claim it kind of schemes. I don't know if I could call it a scheme, but I don't think there's more than just writing something down to receive it. Faith without works is dead. So if you don't put in any effort or any work to attract and to get the things that you want, there's no way you can get them. With that being said, there is a work ethic that comes with the receiving the things that you put on your wish list. So my point in saying all of this is to say, don't focus so much as to how it's gonna happen, but just do your part in making sure that you're working towards getting the things that are on your wish list, because God has a way of blessing you with the things that you desire in ways that you cannot imagine. Like, don't put him in a box is what I'm saying. Anyways, back to why you're really here. I got a new bag. Let's just go ahead and grab her. Like, girl, she's a little beat up because I had to walk in the house with her, but let me just say, I went in the store to get an item that was on my wish list. Ironically, was not expecting to do it. Like I said, I set goals for myself, and once I achieve them, I reward myself for it. And some of the things that I wanted to get myself, or that I had been preparing to spend money on, I got for my birthday, so I didn't have to spend my own money on it, which was crazy. But I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a thing. So I did a thing today, and I went in the store to get the bag that was on my wish list, and then I saw this bag. I saw this bag right before I went in the store, and I was like, you know what? I want to see if they have it. I didn't think they were gonna have it, but they had it, and I was like, you know what? I gotta get it, because I don't know if she's gonna be there. She's current season, she's new. I've been seeing hype about her, and I don't think she's gonna be there. So let me just go ahead and grab her. This is the box, and I'm gonna do my best to unbox this on camera like this. I've actually never done this and haven't really thought much about how I would do it if I did do it. So here we go, just doing something. Gonna open this box. Oh, I just love a fresh seal. Goodness, I love a fresh seal. Okay. How cute is this? I'm so in love, and I love that it has a flat on the back so that it lays flush against you as you're wearing it. And I'm so excited to wear it top handle with the long handles to the side like this. So the strap isn't very long. My mom tried it on crossbody and it wasn't as long on her crossbody, but it does fit around my body, fit long enough around me crossbody so that I can wear it that way. So if you're a bit taller, unfortunately it is gonna cut you a little short if you're trying to wear a crossbody. It is meant to be worn on the shoulder versus across the body. I saw this and I was like curious because I had seen it online right before I went, and I was like, I wonder do they have this? So I asked my sales associate, I was like, do you have this in the store? She was like, yeah. Went, picked it up, and I was like, I gotta have her. Go ahead and box her up for me because I gotta go. I need, this is the one that I need. This is the one that I didn't think I need, but I actually need. I love that the top has the metal piece here, like the trinity, and this has paper on it. So I haven't taken the paper, the little wrapper protective off yet. But I love that this is like the trendy. The top handle is very similar. I just love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So far, I'm not having any problems with zipping it around. The inside is fully leather. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, this is even cute. Like these are the this is the strap. So I imagine that I could put these inside the bag and just carry the top handle. So if I just wanted to carry it like this, I could so do that. There's this one little side pocket, kind of like an area that you would put like a card in, like the authenticity card is in here. I usually keep those with the bag, and it's deep, so it goes actually all the way down instead of just one of the ones that stops midway in the bag, which I like that about it. This one is actually big enough to fit all of my stuff. So I'll probably, let me see, where's my other purse? I'm gonna grab my current bag and put the stuff that I have in there in here just so you can see like what fits inside. I am carrying my Fendi baguette bag. Got it for my birthday. If you've not seen that vlog or that video, go ahead and watch it. It'll be somewhere linked above. So this bag actually holds quite a bit, like a lot. But right now I'm only carrying this little guy, which has a few things in here: gum, lipstick, lip balm, and my mask. And then I have my card holder, and then some sanitizer, and then my phone would fit in there. I'm gonna put that stuff in here. I would usually have my AirPods in here too, and maybe my sunglasses if I'm wearing some that day, but don't have that in this bag for whatever reason. Everything fits. So I have my, my phone is here. My phone, the Louis Vuitton pouch, toiletry bag, the sanitizer, and my card holder in the front. And I still have a little room here in front of my phone and on top. So I still have room on top that I can fit some stuff. And it zips. I do feel a little weight now that I've put everything in here, but I mean, that's really to be expected with higher end bags. They already have a little weight to them, so when you add stuff, it does get a little weighted, but it's not super unbearable, honestly. So it's about what you'd expect for a fully leather bag with this gold hardware and then, you know, a strap. What's funny is I wanted the Louis Vuitton, I think it's the can bag. I think it's the can, I think that's what it's called, the Louis Vuitton can bag. And I was like debating if I wanted it or not, and I was like, I don't know. It's just, I like it, but then there's something about it that's just like, do I really just love it? So when I seen this one, I was like, girl, we all know that I love Chanel. As much as we talked about that price increase, child, we are still out here in these streets looking at Chanel, you know? So when I seen this and Chanel had this version, and I was debating that one like a while ago, I was like, you know what? This is my sign to go ahead and get this style of bag because I've already been wanting it. So I might as well just go ahead and get it. So I was trying to decide between the two. Obviously, I had already been interested in the style of the Vanity case, but had not gotten it. So when I seen it, I was like, you know, I have to have it. Now, I was debating because I had seen the walk on a resale site for way more than what it is for retail, obviously. And I was like, oh my God, I was gonna get it resale, right? But something just said, you know what, check with your sales associates, your Chanel sales associates, see if they can find it, if for some reason it can be found somewhere. So I did that. Come to find out, it's available in the store. They have it. It's come out for the past 3 seasons. It's going to be a bag that you can find. It's a bag that you could find. You just have to do a little digging for it, but it can be found. So I have 2 associates. They both found it. Crazy thing is, I did not know that it could be found. And I was like, I automatically assumed that it was completely gone because of the price that it was marked up to for resale. And I was about to purchase it resale. And when I realized that it was in the store, I was like, you can't pull fast one on me. Nope. I do have my eye on 2 other bags, one Chanel and one Louis Vuitton. I'm waiting to see if I can get that Louis Vuitton, if I can track it down. But I have to hit another milestone before I decide to splurge and get either one of those bags. So we'll be back with another video once I hit that milestone. So I have not done really unboxings on my channel yet, so I don't really know what information you guys like to see with those type of videos. I usually just get this stuff, unbox it, wear it, and then go on about my day and just like come back and do a review or something on it. But I want to know, like, what do you care to know if someone's unboxing something and they haven't really used it? Like, do you want to see that, or do you want to wait until it's being used before you get information about it? That's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, drop a nice comment down below, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I post. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.